Hello, in the middle of a snowstorm here this morning. I just finished grading your lesson 4 assignments and I wanted to share some reflections about them. I was very pleased overall with the work you did. I thought I owed you some explanation. The investigations program on which that was based, the case was based, is something I've been teaching for 35 years. And I originally started the program pretty much the way you see that there, the icebreaker and then that small group activity. On the other hand, a number of people pointed out in talking about the small group activity that I was being somewhat confusing and perhaps not truly helping people learn when I dismissed certain of the choices they made as we're just not going to be studying this. And from many of your points of view, that seemed to come out from nowhere. Why would you say that if you're asking people to make that list? Well, originally, when I began doing the program, I would introduce it by, even before the icebreaker, asking a very simple question. What is an investigation? And we would have a discussion, people would offer opinions, and eventually no one would have the right answer, and I would explain, well, here's what an investigation is, and this is what we're going to study. One day, a participant came up to me and said, Anton, look, if you're going to, in fact, know exactly what an investigation is, and anything we say isn't going to matter, then just tell us. Don't ask us, get it wrong, and make us feel stupid. And I thought about it, made great sense. Think about the concept of self-efficacy. What he really was saying is you're already beginning a process where we're doubting our ability to learn something. We're doubting our ability to answer your question accurately because it's a question we don't know what you're looking for as an answer. So the way I eventually began the course was to spend about 10 minutes talking exactly what is an investigation. Here's what we're going to study. This is the definition. These are the elements of that definition. Then we do the icebreaker and then the small group activity. The small group activity at that point was really a problem solving exercise, similar to one of the requirements in adult learning theory. The idea is you're going to get a problem, identify the challenges you have, given what we know already, now to be the definition of an investigation. That's why I didn't feel particularly uncomfortable saying to somebody, well, here's something that's outside the parameters of that definition and something we will not be covering. I'm not trying to be defensive here. I'm just trying to explain the situation. I certainly respect the points you made about this. And very frankly, if I were to ever teach a course again, I'm not sure I'm going to be teaching it in the near future. I would take some of your suggestions under consideration. Again, thank you very much for the work you did. And we'll see how many times I have to shovel snow here today. You take care, folks. Bye-bye.